Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a nearby save and fast horse so you can chase or board quickly. Once loaded, equip a reliable long-range firearm and stamina tonics because trains move fast and fights can last. Make sure the clock is mid-morning. Trains run predictable schedules then, and visibility helps spotting smoke and tracks. You're starting now, ride to the nearest rail line, staying 100-300 meters off the track to avoid scaring the engine. Once you hear the whistle and see smoke, narrow your approach and pick a crossing or overpass that gives height and cover. This lets you stop the train or jump on safely. You should position your horse slightly downhill for a quick mount, then use dead eye to neutralize guards or disable the coupling. Make sure to aim for the engineer if you want the train to stop, otherwise target wagons to access goods. Stay calm. Taking one precise action beats chaotic gunfire. You finish by securing the locomotive and clearing the wagons. Prioritize the safe and high-value crates, then move loot to your horse. Once done, either ride to a fence or stash items in camp to avoid high bounty. Make sure you clear any pursuing lawmen or hide before selling. If the train disappears or glitches, reload the most recent autosave or pursue immediately on the fastest horse. Do not fast travel. One key tip: quick saves before boarding save hours of repeated attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.